Baby Kids TV.
Hello my children, today I will draw Pikachu. First, I will draw two arms of Pikachu. Following, I will draw a face of Pikachu. I will draw one arm for Pikachu. Behind Pikachu, I will draw Jigglypuff. Next, I will draw a tail of Pikachu. Behind, I will draw stars. Now, I will highlight to prepare for coloring. The body of Pikachu and two stars, which I will color yellow. Cheeks of Pikachu, which I will color red. The other of the tail, which I will color purple. Hair of Jigglypuff, which I will color orange. The body of Jigglypuff, which I will paint pink. The other stars, which I will color blue. The ground, which I will color gray. I have finished drawing Pikachu. See you later in the following videos.